Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 14th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be seeing how we can insert images in our web pages. Now, to insert an image in a web page, you have to use the img tag in HTML. Now, before I show you guys the output of this HTML document that I have here opened in my text editor, and before I explain the text in it, I'm going to show you the image that I will be inserting in the web page that I'll be making. So this is the image, tennis racket with a few tennis balls, and let's say we're making a tennis website and we want the tennis center to be at the center of the website with a font size of 7. So to have that font size, we have to use the font tag, and we've checked out the font tag in the last tutorial. And since we want this at the center of the page, we are also using the center tag here. So let's check out the sequence of tags now on line number 7. So I have the center tag first, and then I have the font tag to set the size of the text to 7, and then I finally have the paragraph tag to have the text. So I'll be closing the tags in the reverse order. So I'll first close the paragraph text, and I'll have to do that here. I haven't actually closed the paragraph text, so I'll type in /p here, and then I'll be closing the font tag, and then finally I'll close the center tag, right? And then on line number 9, I have the img tag, right? So between the less than symbol and the greater than symbol, I have the text img, which is a short form for image, and then you have to give a value to the source attribute or the src attribute of the image tag. So you type in src, which is the name of the attribute, and then you put in the equal to symbol, and then within double quotes you type in the name of the file. And if the file is in the same directory as the HTML document, as is the case in for me in this tutorial, I have the image tennis.jpg, the one that I just showed you, in the same folder as I have this document, which is a folder on my desktop. Then you do not have to mention the entire path of the file. But let's say I had this in the documents folder, on the music folder of my system. In that case, I would have had to type in the entire path of this file, right? And I hope you understand what I mean by that. And then I have also set a value for the height attribute of this image file. I have set the height to 80% of the original height, and I've also set the width of the image to 100% of the original width. And these two attributes are actually not required, like they're not necessary. You don't have to give them values. Like if I will not include the height attribute here, then by default 100% of the height would be included in the web page, right? But since I want 80% of it to be included, I would have to keep it here. And then to close it, you don't have to close it in the traditional way of /img. You could just type in a slash at the end and then just have in the closing angular bracket, right? I'll save this file and I'll open it in my web browser. I'll refresh it. So this is how it looks. We have the text, the tennis center at the center as we expected, and then we have this image, right? So this is how easy it is to insert images in web pages in HTML. You just have to use the img tag, and that's it for now. In the next tutorial, we'll be checking out more tags and more features. So you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.